Hi friends, here is a nice equation x minus 4.5 whole power 4 plus x minus 5.5 whole power 4 equals 1. We have to solve this equation and find the roots. Obviously this equation is to the power 4, right? X to the power 4 in both the places. That means we should have 4 roots, right? 4 solutions. Two of them are straight away visible. What are those two? 4.5 and 5.5. Why? When x is 4.5, this term will become 0 and 4.5 minus 5.5 is 1. 1 power 4 is 1. Right? So clearly x equals 4.5 is one solution. Similarly, when x equals 5.5, this term will become 0. This term will become 1. 1 power 4 is again 1. So 4.5 and 5.5 are clearly the solutions. Right? That is plain visible. Now we need to find two more. Let's try to find those two also. We can write it this x minus 5.5 as x minus 4.5 minus 1. Right? Let us use that. Okay. For example, x minus, let us take this equation and bring this 1 to the left side. So this equation becomes x minus 4.5 whole power 4 minus 1 plus x minus 5.5 whole power 4 equals 0. Just that we rephrase the equation. Right. Now let us take this term x minus 4.5 whole power 4. What is this becoming? Let's take this x minus 4.5 whole power 4. Let us see this is in the form of a power 4 minus 1. Right? A power 4 minus 1. We know a power 4 minus 1 is a square. A power 4 minus 1 is a power 4 minus 1 power 4. That is in the form of a square minus b square. So this equals a square minus 1 times a square plus 1. Now again a square minus 1 becomes a minus 1 times a plus 1. Now a plus 1 into a square plus 1 becomes a cube plus a square plus 1. That is a cube plus a square plus a plus 1. So this a power 4 minus 1 becomes a minus 1 times a cube plus a square plus a plus 1. Right? This is what this let's use this one here. Right? Here a power 4 minus 1 becomes a minus 1. What is a minus 1? X minus 4.5 minus 1, which is x minus 5.5 times a power 4, sorry, a cube, which is x minus 4.5 cube, plus a square, which is x minus 4.5 square, plus x minus 4.5 plus 1. So this left part has become this. Great. And what is the right part? X minus 5.5 whole power 4. Let us write this also as x minus 4.5 minus 1 whole power 4. Right. Now this part plus this part is becoming this part plus this part. Right, this part plus this part. Right. Now, in this, if you add these two, okay, here it is x minus 5.5 whole power 4. Let us take one 5.5 outside, x minus 5.5 outside. Here is anyway 1 x minus 5.5. So this plus this, that is basically this plus this becomes x minus 5.5 whole times x minus 4.5 whole cube plus x minus 4.5 whole square plus x minus 4.5 plus 1 plus x minus 4.5 minus 1 whole cube, not 4, because one of that is x minus 5.5. X minus 5.5 we have written as x minus 4.5 minus 1 whole power 4. So this we are 1 4. Here we are taking x minus 5.5 outside, so we will be left with x minus 5.5 whole cube, which is x minus 4.5 minus 1 whole cube. Right. Now let us just expand this also. What is a minus 1 cube? Or let us write this as like this. This one x minus 5.5, this is one of the factors. Right. This we already know. Now let's try to factorize the one insides. We should get one x minus 4.5 and remaining two other factors from this expression. Right. Now let us look at this. Everything is in the form of x minus 4.5. So let's assume x minus 4.5 as a. This inside term. This inside term, whatever in the square brackets will become a cube plus a square plus a plus 1 plus a minus 1 cube. What is a minus 1 whole cube? It is a cube plus 3a square plus 3a minus 1. We know, right? A plus b whole cube. Here we are using that formula. So then this entire expression is become a cube plus a square plus a plus 1 plus a cube minus 3a square plus 3a minus 1. So here we have a cube and a cube. So 2a cube plus a square minus 3a square, that is minus 2a square, plus 3a plus a 4a, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Right, we are left with 2a cube minus 2a square plus 4a. Right, this entire term should be equal to 0, because what is this entire term? This entire term is nothing but simplified version of this equation. Right. So x minus 5.5 into this entire term is equal to 0. So x equal to 5.5 is clearly one solution. So whatever is entirely inside, that should also be equal to 0 to find other solutions. So right, so 2a cube minus 2a square plus 4a equals 0. That means 2a times a square minus a plus 2. Right, 2a we are taking common. What is a? A is our x minus 4.5. Right, so x minus 5.5 is one solution and a we are taking out. So that is another solution, which is x minus 4.5, which we initially started also. So these two are anyway solutions. What is left? Left is this part, a square minus a plus 2. If you solve this is anyway quadratic. If you solve this, we'll get two more solutions. Right, a square minus a plus 2. Let us solve this. What will this become? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. We are getting imaginary solutions here. Minus b is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is just 1. Plus or minus 1 minus 4 to 8. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. 1 plus or minus root minus 7 by 2. That means 1 plus or minus root 7 I by 2. This is what? This is a, not x. Right. We have to find what is x. What is a? A is x minus 4.5. So that means x minus 4.5 is 1 plus or minus root 7 I by 2. That means x equals 4.5 plus 1 plus or minus root 7 I by 2. 2 into 4.5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So x becomes 10 plus or minus root 7 I by 2. So we have two solutions here, two imaginary solutions. 10 plus 7 I root 7 I by 2. 10 minus root 7 I by 2. So two of the solutions are real solutions, that are 4.5 and 5.5. Two of them are imaginary solutions. Right. What we have done here, we have just used a power 4 minus 1 property and a minus 1 whole cube property. We cleverly manipulated these ones and taken x minus 5.5 out and later x minus 4.5 out to solve the remaining quadratic equation. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.